How to convert zip file to normal or unzip your file. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to extract the contents of a zip file so that you can use the files inside, in today's video we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial. So let's just get started. So first of all, we can just go over and use the file explorer. This is a built-in and no software needed option. So you can look out for your zip file available. For example, let's say this is the zip file. Once you find it up, you can right click on it and select the option for extract to all, and you can choose up a destination folder where you would like to extract and click on extract and confirm it up. And after extraction, you can open up the folder and use the files normally. That is one of the methods. Apart from that, you can use drag and drop as well. So you can double click on the zip file. It opens up like a folder. You can select all of the files available here and drag them to any other folder available on your PC. And that should automatically unzip the files to that location. That is also possible. Apart from that, we have free software which are optional such as WinRAR or 7-zip. Find it up, use those applications, right click on it, select the option called extract with WinRAR, this one right here, extract files and confirm it up, and that should also do it. After extraction, your files are now normal files and you can use it unless you want to keep it for backup. Like you can zip it again once you do so. But that is it everybody, those are the methods for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.